One of the most common questions we hear is, what can I use my settlement funding for? The answer is simple. Whatever helps you manage your day-to-day life while your case moves through the legal system. Many plaintiffs use their funds to cover essential living costs, such as rent, mortgage payments, groceries, and household utilities. Others apply their funding toward medical expenses, whether for injury-related treatment or for pre-existing conditions. Transportation expenses are also common, including car payments, repairs, fuel, and public transit costs. Settlement funding may also be used for loan or credit card payments, tuition, childcare, and counseling or rehabilitation sessions. It can help cover clothing, household items, and any other day-to-day costs that arise while you wait for your case to settle. There are no restrictions or reporting requirements. Once your funding is approved and dispersed, the funds are yours to manage as you see fit. To qualify for pre-settlement funding, you need a personal injury claim, a strong case, and a lawyer representing you. If approved, you could receive your funds in as little as 24 business day hours. And here's the best part. If your case doesn't result in a settlement or financial award, you don't owe us anything. There's no repayment necessary and no risk to you. At USClaims, we've helped thousands of plaintiffs get through tough times with over $1 billion funded in the last decade alone. We've been doing this since 1996, so you're working with one of the most experienced and trusted names in the industry. Visit USClaims.com to learn more or call to talk to one of our specialists today.